Today I'm going to show you my quick tip on how not to deal with all this trash at the range. Hey guys, my name is Dave Tim. Thank you very much for checking out this video. All of this stuff that I'm holding is typical for, just an afternoon at the range. In fact, it's only about 250 rounds of 9mm and maybe a couple hundred rounds of 5.56, but this is all of the packaging and cartons and everything that's accumulated, just from an afternoon of shooting. So it's definitely can be, one of those things that you don't want to have to deal with. So let me show you my quick tip on how I rid my hands of all of that, not having to worry about it at the range. So first things first, I'm a firm believer in buying your ammunition in bulk. And in fact, you can save money, you can get free shipping, and oftentimes you can even get it without all of the packaging. It literally just comes in a big bag of 1,000 rounds in a box. So you don't have to worry about any of that kind of stuff, which is great. And then I love using my ammo cans to store that. So these are just a 50 cal ammo can. It'll easily hold 1,000 rounds of 5.56. It'll hold even more of 9mm, and I just label them with a paint marker on what's in the can and good to go. So if I know I'm going to be shooting a lot, going to a class, whatever, I definitely use my 50 cal ammo cans for whatever ammo I have. Additionally, I talked about in another quick tip of using the SAW ammo can. And what's great about the SAW ammo can is because they're a little bit taller, you can very easily hold 30 round AR mags, P mags as well. So you can see here I have a bunch of followers. This is my project to convert a bunch of new GI mags over to the Magpul anti-tilt follower. But I've already talked about that. So what am I doing now if I'm just going off for the afternoon? I don't need 1,000 rounds, or if I'm just going to like a local pistol match or a local 2-gun match and I just need maybe 150, couple hundred rounds of each caliber. What I use is these clear containers, and these clear containers work great. You can get them at your big box home improvement store. They're meant for like nuts, bolts, things like that. That's typically where you'll find these, is in the nuts and bolts and hardware section. But they come in a variety of sizes and a variety of colors. And what's great is that this tube right here will hold about 120 rounds of 5.56, or that same size tube will hold just under 230 rounds of 9mm. And what I like about this particular size is it's not much bigger than a 5.56 mag. So this size for me will actually fit in my range box, which is behind me here. This will actually fit in my range box, either vertical, or I can stack a couple of them, different calibers, or maybe I want to have one load for a certain part of the match. I want to have my match ammo in one and my hoser ammo in the other, whatever, but it's not much bigger, you can see there, for a size comparison. So these are just a couple of dollars each. You don't have to worry about all the trash and everything else. Bringing that with the range, you just dump your ammo in this, you shoot, and then when you come home, you have an empty one of these. So I hope that helps. That's a little quick tip for me on how I manage my ammo at a match or at a practice session or whatever it might be without having to deal with all of the trash. If you guys have any questions, make sure you send your questions to the email address shown below. We do have a monthly QA segment where we'd love to hear from your questions, plus one lucky question asker gets an awesome prize. So make sure you're sending your questions in, or you can leave a comment below. I'll do my best to get to all of the comments. I hope that was helpful for you guys. That's just my little quick tip on how I deal with ammunition at the range when I don't need a ton of it in an ammo can, but just something I want to throw in the range bag and not deal with all of the clutter and mess from the garbage that comes with ammo packaging. So please follow us on social media. Follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube. Check us out online, gunsandtactics.com. We're also on Instagram. And please, please, please hit that like button, share. Let's get the word out about our content. We're trying to make good quality videos that we as shooters would want to watch ourselves. But in order for us to grow, we need your help. Please hit that share button. Thank you guys very much for watching, and have a great day.